Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? What's crack-a-lacking? It's your girl, lydiabeast, back again with another banger, okay? Like, what? Okay, so, sorry for this distraction, okay? First off, right? I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing exactly right now, okay? So, let me raise up my sleeves, guys. This is in my, I call this my cookie shirt. I call this really my cookie / sleepy shirt because I sleep in everything. Alright, so, right, what I just did was hit them up with my seasoning, right? This is actually a Red Robin seasoning, but I redid it. It was empty, so you guys can see. Only I had it filled up to like right here, like last week, right? And now it's like right here. So yeah, this is my trusty seasoning. It got like a bunch of good stuff in there. Got cumin, right? Has a really good smell. Really good smell, right? Okay. At first, I was going to use zesty Italian, but today we were cooking pork chops, so I was like, why not? So we got some onions. Garlic. The seasoning, right? So you guys can see these are the pork chops. Y'all can see how like dark they look. So it's actually really early in the morning, right? So I'm making a meal from basically scratch, somewhat scratch. Alright, it's really just making the meat. It's coming off with a good smell right now, right? So y'all can see what's going on in there. I don't know if y'all can see it. Hello. Yeah, there you go. Right there. Let me move that out the way for you guys. Okay, so we put in some brown sugar. So we're trying to give it like a glaze look, right? So it was only like 6 of them. So we put some brown sugar in there, right? With the onions and all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna put a little bit more onion size, right? For flavor, because that's what we want there. Flavor, okay? We want flavor, all right? And taste. There's already garlic in there. There's a lot. It's only minced garlic, right? But I know that there's also garlic salt in there too, right? So we're just gonna mix it up in there. Give it that good glaze, right? So that way, when it comes out, it's gonna be like, ooh. So, right. At first, I was gonna put a little water in there, and I think I still should just to kind of get everything like situated in there. So I'm gonna put a little water in there. Okay, not a lot, just a little. And I'm gonna take it straight from the bottle, you know. This bottle's actually frozen. Right, so I got some water. It's actually a frozen piece of water, right? And then just start smothering it in there, guys. So, right, close it. Boom, boom. Y'all can see all the stuff all in the middle. And we're just gonna mix it in there. Yep. So, yeah. As y'all can see, right, we just put it in the Ziploc bag, right? To like marinate. Okay? We're gonna let this marinate for about, I don't know, let's say maybe about a good hour or two, right? Just to get that flavor really deep in there, right? So, like normally I would overnight something overnight. I would do it overnight, but guys, we don't got that type of time. Plus, I would have to do this last night, so. Okay, got our bag. Let's put it in the fridge. Alright. Got a fireplace for it in the fridge. Because our fridge is packed. Okay. So I guess that's gonna be in there for the next 2-3 hours. Right? Yeah. I'll see you guys in 2-3 hours. Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Right, I'm back with another video. side, right? So sorry guys, but I am back. Okay, so just remembered. Okay, I just took it out the bag. Okay, these right here are, they'll been marinating for an hour. There's some sauce to them, right? Like, just look at it. Do y'all not see that? Right? They have like a really good coating on all of them, right? So they're looking nice and pretty. Y'all can see it's looking pretty good, right? I'm thinking I'm gonna cook 2 on the stove, so that way the rest of them can, I can see that flavor that kind of pops off of them. Well, I'm gonna cook 1 on the stove because it says 6. So I'm gonna cook 1 on the stove, which is not gonna be this one. I'm looking for the small one. Maybe, yeah, this one right here seems pretty good enough. So I'm gonna put this one. Yeah, I think this was the smallest one. So yeah, I'm gonna put this one to the side, right? And I'm gonna have these sit in their juice. Okay, so that's the one to the side, right? So y'all can see that the onions are even like pretty tender in there, right? And yeah, I mean, guys, they have like pretty good, right? I'm sorry guys, my shirt is like hecka long sometimes when I'm cooking, but alright, we're gonna put a little bit more onion, right? I told y'all for flavor, I'm gonna put a couple onions on top of the one that we're going to sear, right? And we're just gonna really see how well it sears. Okay, right? We got some garlic. Okay, it's been soaking its own like sauce for like the last hour, right? A little garlic in there. I just get like a tiny bit in my hands. Okay, but y'all can see there is a sauce in there. Okay, so I'm thinking what I'm about to do is, right, because I have the foil right there, but I also have more foil here. I just took it out the back once, guys. So, but we had some carrots, guys, from Papa's Barbecue, right? I don't know if you guys have ever seen it, but see, onion, right? And I already got like 2-3 carrots in there already, but I was like, why not? Because it did make it super soft. Like, look at this, right? Compared to this, right? If you bend this, I don't think it's going to bend without breaking. Same. Like, it does that and then breaks. Part 2, right? But with this, it's been soaking in there, so it's been having that good flavor in there. So I was thinking though, those carrots can add some flavor, because they were in like garlic. I think they were pickled actually a little bit. So, right, and we're just gonna put them all over, right, in a couple different spots. So putting some of the juice in there, right, kind of just spread over some of that flavor, right, all over. Boom, pickled, done. Okay, right, and then what else we want to put in there is, right, and it off a little seasoning right on top, right, those carrots, right. And then some more brown sugar to do what it's supposed to do, which is add more flavor, right? some on the other one. Right. Boom, guys. So it's really just soaking up into the oil. Right. So a little water to kind of get it all in there. Right. So we're gonna turn it over. So then we're gonna just massage that all in there. Alright, see? Yeah. It's cold. The water was already cold. It's cold. Right. Y'all see that? They all got good coatings on them. Right. Oh. The water is super cold. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. But it's just getting in there. Alright, so I told you, right? So fill some seasoning on top, right? That was the end. Okay. So, put it in foil. Right. Wrap it in foil. Right. So, we're trying to get them tender, guys. So, it's maybe, hold up, let me see. It's almost 2 o'clock. Right. Okay. Down there, so perfectly sealed on these little sides, okay, and then okay, boom, okay, boiled up. All right, the oven has already been preheated to 350. Got that in there. I'm gonna push that to the back. Boom. Alright. Now, I'm going to sear one. Like I told you guys I would. Okay. Let's see. Okay guys, I'm back. So basically before like finish off, right, like I guess, right, we got baked beans, right, so I just heated up some baked beans, right. We bought some potato salad like just yesterday, so okay, it's okay. Right. Then we got some garlic knots. Okay. Right. And then we got the pork chop. You can see it's super. I'm gonna show you how tender it is. So this part right here, right? Look as I'm picking it up, how it's falling off. You see that? It's been cooking for like over 2 hours. See? It comes apart so quick. This is actually a part of another person's room. It's been cooking for so long, but easily breaks apart. So I feel like it's best when it's cooked like that, because look how thoroughly cooked that is. And then that's the sauce right here, the little braised sauce. So I just been putting some of that on there so that You're just taking it, and then you just do like that to it. Gives it a nice little glaze. Okay, I put that all over. Then you know it's got the onion, so it's got real soft, like feeling onions. Y'all can see that onion right there. Just a silkish and color and everything like that. It's looking delicious, and then boom. Right. Then, you know, making sure your beans stay cooked. They're still hot. It's only two, but it's still hot and everything like that. And I'm gonna show you guys how you guys plate it, right? So, pick up my plate. Boom. Meat size. Alright. So, meat right there, right? I want to take out the bowl before anybody has to eat the bowl. Right? Don't want nobody to try to eat the bone. Okay. Some more, which is the other half of the meat. Just tearing apart. Tearing it straight off. And then you hitting it with that seasoned brown sugar glaze. Okay, now y'all see that, right? So, okay, now my dad like extra spice, right? So I'm not gonna hit him with the regular spice. I'm gonna hit him with the Cajun spice from Tony, right? Right? I'm gonna need just a little bit more to make sure that it's okay. I'm gonna go a little carrot, a little onion, right? Because we want it to make sure that it's cooked thoroughly. Okay? Some carrot and onion on top. Right? Boom. Putting some bush baked beans right here on the side. Like so. Boom. Okay. Come with me. So, as y'all can see so far, right? Then we're gonna put some potato salad. And then put some potato salad. I got carrots and all that. Okay, so that right there is that, right? Got a nice little garlic knot, which are my favorite. Okay. Right? Boom. Guys, fully cooked meal. What?